Hey guys, showing you this iPad 9 generation case. So you can see this is the flexible case on the top with the magnetic stuff, and this is a silicone back. So you can cover up the screen. So here is the iPad 9 generation that I'm putting in inside, and then putting see, it fits really well in the corner with the screen thing. This is the sidewise for the pencil, like the Apple pencil, and this is you can see like the charging, and this will make all this socket nice with the camera. So with the touch there is no issues for the working, and then you can just close this off, and then this is wake up when you open up. See, so you wake up the screen. So it's pretty nice, flexible. You can also use it as a stand in the back, and this is a great cover that covers and protects charging, and everything is all no issues. Every socket and hole is good.